So what we doing? We strapping the Firefly Micro.
We're gonna strap it onto this Diatone M3. Make sure we match up this FPV camera angle with the recording camera angle.
You putting it on top of the
Then
GoPro?
we gonna hit some gates, right?
Yeah, we're gonna hit some gates.
On top of the GoPro.
Get the double image, right? Double video.
This is pretty fun now.
Plane right there.
You get the you tighten up real quick.
But you can't do any loops though.
No, I know. But I didn't tell Jay, but this is definitely my first time flying a plane.
So you're gonna test it out, huh?
Yeah.
Test it out.
Oh yeah, don't go in acro because you might crash his joint, break a wing, and he gonna be hurt. Oh, you gonna crash trying to land? You better hand it off to.
No, he know how to land it.
No, he don't.
Yo, just keep it on low throttle until you're about to hit the ground, and then you just let the throttle go in
Oh yeah, I get it.
to the elevator. Are you trying to do like I did it in the middle of the jump? It's nice, right?
No, he look a little shaky. He going through. Oh, I told you to get it. Hand it off.
Huh?
Be easy.
I was trying to go through the gate.
I thought you was trying to land. No, I knew you was going through the gate because you was going through.
My first time flying a plane. I didn't tell him that though. I lied to him.
Yeah, Jay wouldn't have let you fly it if you'd have told him the truth.
Oh, this is the long range one.
Remember the one that broke?
Yeah.
I fixed it.
Oh my God.
That's how I look.
Look at the way he did this. Look at this.
Yo, let me get
He
the
taped
antenna.
the camera to the
Oh yeah, that joint is straight custom. He did
Yeah,
that
but
on.
look, Jay, when you're flying, it's facing down.
Yeah, that's a Frankenstein.
Because he's up in the air. That's
I
why.
want to sit down.
That's true. I didn't even think about that.
Look at that one. That one is looking way
It's
more.
the opposite of the quad, yeah.
Yeah, when
That
I'm
one
out
is
there on
got
my
more
little
angle.
spot where I fly, I don't have camera angle either
Flying too?
sometimes.
Look, this one got more
You
angle.
fly plane too?
Oh no, I never flew a plane yet. Jay, I'm trying to get Jay to let me fly his acro.
Acro. Just go big or go home, right?
This is about right.
Jay like, nah.
They're about equal, right?
Oh yeah.
That's on the money.
Yep.
You know what I mean?
So let's get it.